Hello my dear friends, creating presentations with AI sounds great, especially if you're not a presentation designer or want to save time, but most tools still give you pretty generic slides and you still have to do quite a bit of work to make them usable. But recently I tried Beautiful.ai newest version 3.0 and honestly I think this might actually be the best AI business presentation maker that I've ever used. You can get to polished business slides pretty much from the start with their new Create with AI workflow. So in this video I'm going to build a quarterly business review presentation from scratch and let's see how good Beautiful.ai 3.0 actually is. Let's go! Okay my friends, so Beautiful.ai is an AI presentation maker that promises us a faster way to create professional presentations that would be wonderful. So for that we have to jump to Beautiful.ai website and here is the address, Beautiful.ai, link is in the video description as well. And now we can get started for absolutely free. You can test out Beautiful.ai for 14 days. So let me log in because I've already started my trial, okay? And now we can just hover over this blue button and let's choose Create with AI. This is their new Create with AI workflow, all right? And now over here, we can type in our prompt or paste in our prompt. In this case, I've already prepared this huge prompt, which is basically for a 10-slide quarterly business review presentation. Okay, I've added some details for all of these slides that I would like to have in the presentation. I'll leave the link to this prompt as well so you can check it out in more detail, but for now let me just copy it and let's paste it over here. And what's nice is that you can attach files to your prompt. So in this case, I've created an Excel file with some sample financial data such as monthly recurring revenue, user growth, churn rate, and other sample data. So let's add this Excel file to our prompt. And now we can click on this little arrow to start generating the outline. And by the way, I'm leaving the real speed so that you can see how really fast it is. And first of all, let's check if we have 10 slides. Yes, it looks like we have descriptions for 10 slides. That's nice. You can select and edit any of these descriptions if you want. That's beautiful. You can reorder your slides. You can add new slides if you wish. We have a blue button over here for that. That's beautiful. All right. And now here on the right side, we basically have a chat with Beautiful.ai. So first of all, we have our prompt. And next, we can ask for any changes that we wish. So for example, let's ask it if, Beautiful.ai would recommend us any additional slides. And let's see what we'll get. So we got a couple of slides suggestions. So let me copy this slide with market opportunities and expansion. So let's ask for this kind of slide. Let me just paste in market opportunities and expansion and let's hit enter. Okay. And it looks like that Beautiful.ai has inserted a new slide for market opportunities and expansion. So that's super duper awesome. And now here at the bottom right, we can choose a theme for our presentation. So we can pick from these presets at the bottom, or we can choose our own custom theme. And this is what I've already done. Later on, I'll show you how you can create your own custom branded theme. For images, I'll go with AI images. And what's awesome is that you can choose your image, your AI image style, or you can define your own image style, and this is what I've done. I would like to get some modern 3D shapes with glass morphism and some glowing lime and purple colors. So let's see what we'll get, and now we can generate the presentation. And once again, I'm leaving the real video speed so that you can see how fast Beautiful.ai 3.0 really is. And I think it's the first AI presentation maker that I don't have to speed up the video. And we can see those slides popping up on the left side already. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, my friends, and on the first slide, I see this image which is really close to what I've asked for in my prompt. I've asked for a glass sphere, cylinder, and cube balancing on top of each other. And this is really close and it is following our image style, our custom image style that we have defined. That's nice. And now another super useful feature are these slide design ideas generated here on the right side. We can pick any of these designs to quickly apply them. That's super duper awesome. And now for the second slide, we have this kind of dashboard slide layout. That's looking beautiful. And by the way, let me take a quick look into my prompt and let me check if Beautiful.ai has followed all of these numbers precisely. Okay, let's get back. And it looks like that everything is looking as it should be. That's nice. And once again, on the right, we get these slide design suggestions that we can quickly, check out. That's really nice how fast we can apply all of these designs. That's super duper beautiful. And let's actually use the dashboard style for this slide, for the second slide. I think it works really well. Okay. Now for slide number 3, we get a couple of options. We have this pie chart. It's looking beautiful. And by the way, if we want, we can generate some new slide design ideas. We can click on this button, generate ideas, and let's see what we'll get, what kind of ideas we'll get for slide number 4. We can use the original prompt. So this is basically the prompt we inserted, and this is, the prompt for this current slide. Let's use the original prompt and let's generate some new ideas. Let's see what we'll get. Once again, this is the real speed, and in just a couple of seconds, we get some new slide design ideas. Okay, we get some designs with charts, we get some designs with pictures. And let's actually choose this horizontal bar chart. And let me show you how quickly we can refine this slide. So first of all, let's go to colors. Let me apply this dark gradient background so that this slide is consistent with the rest of the slides. And now in the layout options, we can deactivate this bottom trace so that we have more space on the slide. And next we can select these purple bars and let's choose a different accent color. For example, this beautiful electric lime color. And this is how fast and easy you can make adjustments to your slides. And for slide number 5, let's use this slide design idea with dashboard. Now slide number 6 is looking beautiful. We could go over this table, but I really like these AI generated images. All right. Now slide number 7, everything is looking beautiful. Should we try a new design? Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Okay, looking good. And now for slide number 8, let's see if we'd like to change it to something else. Let's go with dashboard. Once again, there's just something special about dashboard designs. They work really well with business presentations. Now for the timeline, we could go with this roadmap. It's looking beautiful. Okay. Strategic priorities. Let's see if we'd like to change it. Let's keep it the way it is. And now for the last slide, let's go with this one with a picture on the left and some, bullets with arrows on the right. And that's how fast and easy it was to apply new slide designs to our slides. And next, my friends, let me show you a couple of things that I believe no other AI presentation maker has. And first of all, we can select this text box on the title slide and we can add this beautiful frosted background to it. And next, we can select the photo. Let's go to the Edit tab. And if we wish, first of all, we can zoom in into this photo just like that. But what is more impressive, we can go into this animation effect and choose, for example, this zoom in effect. And now this background will basically constantly zoom in once we play the presentation. So that's a really nice animation effect that I haven't seen anywhere else, besides Beautiful.ai 3.0. So that's really well done. And next, if we'd like to make this slide a bit more visually interesting, we can select any of these rectangles and we can quickly apply different accent colors that I've set in my theme. And what's more is that we can change how any of these blocks look like. So for example, we can use this radial bar chart for the first block, okay? Or we can just get back to this statistic infographic. It looks nice as it is. And now for this purple block, we can choose, for example, a pie chart or any other chart or infographic that you think would, work well in your slide. So feel free to check out all of these possibilities yourself. Once again, link is in the video description for Beautiful.ai. And now on this slide, we can make some adjustments if we wish. First of all, I think this text is a bit too lengthy. So let me use AI and let's just shorten this text a bit. Let me choose this variation. Now the text is shorter. That's nice. We can remove the bold effect. Okay. And now let me resize these rectangles. We can adjust them if we wish. Let's move them to one column just like that. And we can delete these empty guys. And now we can grab this horizontal bar chart and let's extend it to the right. And this is how quickly we can adjust how our dashboard looks like. And once again, we can apply this beautiful lime color to our bar chart. And by the way, we can select any of these rectangles and apply the same, accent colors that we have in our theme. That's really nice. And now in slide number 4, we can select this horizontal bar chart and we can change the type of this chart. So let's try this area chart. That's nice. And now we can do a couple of interesting things. We can add a highlight point. That's nice. And we can change the area style, from this point on. So now the rest of the chart is projected. And additionally, we can add a percentage change between these 2 points. And this is the first time when I see so many features, useful for business presentations. So that's really impressive. And now for slide number 5, let's use this subtle, beautiful background gradient that I have set up in my theme. I'll show you later on how you can do that as well. And if you'd like to change or regenerate any of your AI images, you can totally do that. In this case, let me use the same prompt and let's just click on regenerate. And once again, I'm leaving the real video speed so that you can see how long it takes. And I believe that Beautiful.ai is using the image gen model by Google. And here it is, our new image. That's looking nice. And to add new slides, we can click on the plus button and we can use AI over here as well. Let's ask it to add a new slide, a new funnel slide, and let's see what we'll get. And I think this is the first time that Beautiful.ai is taking some time to think, but I'm sure we'll get some beautiful funnel slide design ideas. So let's wait a few more seconds, and here we are. We get these 3 design ideas. Let's go with this middle one. Okay, and now we can select this funnel infographic and we can jump into the edit tab. And over here we get a couple of funnel presets that we can choose. We can go with these stairs if we like. Okay, we can change the colors of our infographic. We can go with these purple shades or green shades, or we can use all of our theme colors just like that. That's how easy it is, my friends. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And now the next thing that I really like is that Beautiful.ai automatically animates our slides. So we can click on any slide, we can go into the playback tab, and we can preview all of the animations. That's super duper awesome. Let's check out the animations on this slide as well. That's looking nice. And of course, we can add slides manually because, Beautiful.ai has a bunch of nice looking slides. And I really like this one, which is called Radial Bar Chart. Here it is. Let's click on it to insert it, and let's click once again. And here it is. As you can see, it is using our theme style, and we can check out those beautiful animations here as well. That's nice. And now, my friends, let's click on this Add Slide button once again to add a new slide. But this time, instead of picking a slide from this list, let's say that we like this one called Hub and Spoke. Let's go to this section, Create with AI, and let's ask Beautiful.ai to add a new Hub and Spoke slide. But this time, I think it will add, this slide with some relevant data to our presentation. So that would be awesome, because if you insert a slide manually, as you can see, you just get some placeholders. But if you do it this way, create with AI, it should populate it with some relevant data. Okay, we get a couple of options. Let's pick this one. And as you can see, it's definitely filled with some data. And by the way, we can go into the layout tab. We can, deactivate this sidebar on the left. That's nice. And if any of the text, looks a bit lengthy, we can shorten it with AI. So that's nice. Let's pick this short version over here. That's beautiful. And now one really impressive thing is that we can animate these lines, or these connectors as they are called, in Beautiful.ai. We can animate them in a couple of ways, but I'm just choosing this, pulsing animation. Let me do this pulsing animation for all of these connectors, and then we can check it out. That's, really impressive little animation that I have definitely never seen anywhere else on any other AI presentation makers. So here it is. We get this nice pulsing animation for all of the lines. And next, my friends, let me show you how you can set up a custom branded theme in Beautiful.ai. So for that, let's go to Home. Let's click on this little arrow and let's go to my resources. And now over here, you can click on plus to insert a new theme. But let me just open up my current theme so that you can see how everything works. And first of all, you can set up your company colors. And I'm going with this beautiful lime and purple and some shades of those colors. And now over here in collection color, you can decide in what order, your colors will appear. And for example, infographics. And now here on the right, you can get a preview of how your theme looks like. Next, you have text colors, some special colors for statistics. and you get your chart colors that you can adjust. And now over here, you can set up a gradient background for your slides. So in my case, I'm going with this subtle dark gradient, and you can decide, what will be the default background for your slides. Is it going to be a gradient or a solid color? It's up to you. So yeah, that's pretty much all for colors. And now in typography, you can set a header font, a title font, and a body font. And what's awesome is that you can adjust letter spacing, and this way you can make your headers, look a bit tighter. That's always a good idea. And that's pretty much all I did for my theme, just some custom colors and some fonts. And now, my friends, let's check out the final result on Beautiful AI. And don't forget to test out Beautiful AI yourself as well. Link is in the video description. You can check it out for absolutely free for 14 days. That's super duper awesome. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. Stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy the rest of the slides, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.